everyone, welcome to day 7 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here. So yesterday we got this wonderful sign. I'm putting a value of about $10 on this. I did a little bit of searching on Amazon and some other quilting sites. That's about where they run for cost. Some are 7, some are 15, it really depends. But about this size was around $10. And that brings our grand total for the value of this box. The monetary value is $73, which is pretty good considering I paid $180 for this box. We're doing really well. I think the value is absolutely going to be there, but we'll see as we keep going. All right, today's gift. I am so excited about this one, especially when I have no idea what it is. So let's open it and find out. So yesterday I guessed it was a cross stitch kit, and it is. Okay, all right, so here it is. Has an embroidery hoop in here. It is a miniature embroidery hoop necklace and charm clip kit. Yeah. Don't love this one, but you know what? I'm not gonna like them all. I'm not gonna like them all. So it's cute. We have the duck, which is their logo. There's a cute sewing machine, a pair of scissors, and a little quilt block. You know what? I'm going to give it a try. I'll open it up. I'll give it a try. I'll see what we think. It's cute. I'm sure there's people out there that will love this, that are really into embroidery. I do some, not a lot, but I'm going to give it a try. And you know what? Tomorrow I might come back and say, you know, this was the best gift ever, because that's happened, as we know. All right, so that is today's gift, today's item. I think the value is there, by the way. I don't know how much they cost, but it comes with everything, it looks like. So I will give you a recap on that tomorrow and tell you what I think, and maybe even have 1 or 2 of the items completed. So the 12 days of Quiltmas are in full swing. The quilts are amazing. You've got to check this out, and remember, it is a giveaway, so make sure you're collecting those secret words. Tonight's video features Ian from Off Kilter Crafter Ian. I can't wait to see this one. He always thinks outside the box, so I'm sure it's going to be a really good one. Not that they all haven't been, but this one especially. So check that out. I will be on live chat at 6 o'clock, and then the video goes live at 6:30. There's a link below to all of the videos. So let's take a guess at what tomorrow's gift is. This is day 8. First of all, I love these boxes. You know, kudos to Missouri Star. These are really cute. There's something we could reuse too. I'm assuming it's something breakable. It rattles. Put the microphone there. It's kind of heavy. I don't know. What do you think it is? Let me know in the comments below. There's a bell or something in there, so I don't know what it is. Maybe a mug. It's kind of shaped like a mug box. I don't know. We'll see. Either way, I will see you tomorrow for day 8 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I will also give you an update on this item. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.